Hey guys, Hadilla836 VRYT here, and I just wanted to let you know that in today's episode we're going to be installing Android on this guy right here. He's an old Windows XP computer, and I want to try installing like Android PC version on this guy. So that's today's episode, and I'm just gonna get this guy set up, and I'm gonna cut to the computer of us installing the ISO. Hello. And we got ourselves the two things that we need for this. I pre-downloaded Rufus and our Android ISO. I just googled like the one that fit the time period I felt, just off like that's the way back machine I believe, and I just downloaded it. I could leave the link to the things that you need in the description. Just use a random ass flash drive, it doesn't matter. Alrighty. And that's the flash drive. Let me just drag and drop the ISO. Start. Okay. Alrighty, and it has finished. Alrighty, now I'll see you at the computer. Hello guys, we have the computer set up over there. You can't really see it, but this is the monitor. And we got a flash drive, don't ask. And we're gonna turn the computer on with the flash drive in it. I haven't used this computer in a while, so I have no idea how this is going to go. Sorry if there's a lot of noise. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna try running it without an installation. Okay. This is just booting off the flash drive. Yo, it's Android! Yo! This is just booting off the flash drive. So if we get this, so we're just, just running Android. Okay. Spare parts, what does that do? That just poorly translated. Dev tools. We need to check out this amazing calculator. 9 plus 1. Do you have any guesses? I have no idea what this could be. It's 10? Oh my gosh. Now how do I escape? Do I just, okay, I have no idea how to get out of this app. Well, guess it this just restarted, I suppose. Oh wait, the button actually does stuff. Oh, but damn, she be really jittery now. Device options. Yep, reboot. Our machine will now reboot. Can I just press enter? The mouse seems to be having one way over time. You know, what if I just press the power button? This appears to be a bit overexposed, so I'm just gonna held down the power button. And I'm just gonna real quickly just let's just turn on the computer. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna try the top one this time. Don't beep at me, I know. I probably shouldn't have spammed enter, but hey, detect an Android. I did not think it would honestly be this easy. To be fair, we have only been booting a live install. We have not actually installed Android. This is just running off of that flash drive. We can set our phone to either speaker or vibrate. This thing is gonna do so much considering I don't have speakers. Settings. Lunar launcher, messaging. Go watch some YouTube, lol. What the hell is Jetboy? Snake on a phone. I just downloaded some like pre-made installer. So forewarned, these are just included things that comes with. Oh, settings are just entirely. Okay. About phone. Android version 2.21. Build number. Okay. They also had some like status for like battery status unknown. Battery level 100%. Yeah, I think our computer might have a battery level of 100%. My phone number unknown. Network unknown. Signal strength 0 dBm out of ASU. Wi-Fi network unavailable. Yeah, I have no idea how to ever go home. So I think we're just gonna install it now, considering that I got myself stuck again. So let's just install Android. Because why the hell not? Alrighty. Currently, I'm using a keyboard that I don't think is intended for even Windows. Gosh dang it, why did I decide to keyboard manage this thinking it might be shown on camera, but when it actually is not. Gosh dang it, past me is killing me. Okay, I got it. Yeah, this is totally intended for an Android or Windows computer, right, guys? Totally not meant for a Mac at all. Alrighty. And we're gonna start this, and I'm just gonna start a time lapse. We're just gonna get into this, and we're gonna start a time lapse and just gonna be so installed, dude. Alrighty. Installation. Loading kernel. Loading interim.img. It said ready, then it okay. My the keyboard arrow keys, which is how I was navigating before. It does not appear to be doing absolutely anything. Escape, nothing. The scroll wheel on the mouse does nothing. That does nothing. This does nothing. I will be right back. I'm just gonna go get an actual keyboard. I'm gonna power this down, and I'm just gonna get a real keyboard that's not meant for a Mac, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Now with an actual keyboard. This one came with the computer. I think it's like an HP computer. It came with a Dell keyboard and like a compact mouse. I got it off eBay, off of Craigslist. Anyway, let's get this show running. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. And Fat 32. Yes. Yes, I like doing this. Yes. Alrighty. And alrighty, I'm just gonna start a time lapse and finish this. Hey guys, I was about to do a time lapse, but it went so quickly that I didn't even have a chance to start a time lapse. Hold on while I get my camera set up real quick. I'm just gonna do the rest of this video handheld then, because it's giving me one hard time. Okay, alrighty, and let's unlock. Drag your apps to see the home screen. Alrighty, there we go. And we have full control. We can play Jet Boy. How do we play Jet Boy? Got a feeling that Jet Boy might be broken. Oh wait, there's a start button down here. Help Jet Boy through the asteroid belt. Blast asteroids in time. Listen to the music. Respond. There seems to be a music game, but I don't really have music, so oh wait, I do. Never mind. I have no idea how to play this game with these controls. So I'm like, well, I guess I lost, so it closed. Let's play Snake on a phone. Okay, alrighty, let's just crane our necks. Press up to play. Okay, my controls are also set to that aspect ratio, so this is side. So we that side, this is up and this is down. God damn, this snake is slow. YouTube Shorts mode engaged. Yeah, or it might not be the best for editing, so I'm just going to, so I might have to crane your necks in order to see this. But yeah, it's a snake, I guess. Okay. Not sure exactly what did to close that, but I closed it. Alright, let's just try out Luna Launcher. Press up to play. Oh, do we have to land it? Off. Wait. How do we play this game? Do I have to, Okay, well, I guess we got a game over. We don't have a camera I can use, but you know what? I wonder what it's gonna do if we just don't have a camera. But it's expecting a camera. Oh boy, she chugging. Sorry, the application camera process come Android stop unexpectedly. Please try again. Probably because I don't have a camera. Yeah, this thing ain't got a camera. It has an inbuilt speaker, but no camera. I just realized I don't need this anymore because we're running it without a flash drive. No flash drive needed. I mean, speech recorder. What does this do? Udderless style nap. Udderless. Let's call udderless. What happens if I just press record? Sorry, application closed. Yep, I don't have a mic. There we go. Alrighty. Pre-installed music. Pre-installed music. It gave me an option to... I don't know, I might be able to install an SD card later. There we go. Alrighty. I wonder... I mean, it says we're on service, so probably the chances are that, the new Wi-Fi things won't work. I do wonder what spare parts is. I guess it's just like a calibration thingy. Escape exits it. We can use our computer running Android as a GPS. Let's just see what we can do in settings. Ethernet configuration, sound, display, location, applications, it gave me an option to make an, SD card, so, yeah, the escape button is kind of just exit app / a back button. Date and time, advanced settings about phone. Wait, locations and security. Passwords. Set password. I kind of want to set a pattern though. You know what? Why don't we just see how this goes? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, alrighty. We now have our super secure password set. Alrighty. Okay, I mean our password's already so secure, I don't think anyone can hack it, so I won't need to do a different password. But set up a lock screen, that's what I wanted. Disable showing lock screen. Alright, next. Alright, next. Alrighty. And then we do one of those, and then we go continue, then we redo. I mean, honestly, if you could do that on a computer, I would honestly do that. Alrighty. Alrighty. Why don't we just try rebooting? Can that actually reboot the machine? Our machine will reboot. Okay. Alrighty. Rebooting. It says rebooting, and can it do it? You know, why don't we try to give it a helping hand? You know, when we press the button, it opened this menu. Oh, never mind. There we go. It was just working on its stuff. Yep. HP and Pentium inside. No system disk. Press any key to continue. I'll try just giving it the flash drive again. That's the install. Okay, I'm just gonna turn the computer off, put that in, and turn it back on. I don't know. Android on a computer could be super wonky, I don't know. But yeah. Installation. Create or modify partitions. That's my flash drive. Yes, is it technically maybe a micro SD card reader? Sure. You know what? Format it to NTFS. Last time I did it to, would you like to install bootloader grub? Yes. Yes. I mean, it just goes. Like, it's working. Yes. But bam. Alright, well, it's finally finished. And now let's just go ahead and create a fake SD card. Max is that amount, so let's just do that. And I will let you know when this finishes. Alright, the fake SD card was created, and now we're going to go ahead and reboot. Alrighty, please don't fail me now. Come on. I'm just gonna power it down and then just boot it back up, this time without the SD card. I'm just gonna pray that we didn't mess this up. Oh, let's go. We are booting into Android. Android. Root Android. Dude, no freaking way. Isn't this just crazy? I mean, there's probably newer versions of Android like this too, that I could probably install. Alrighty. And I don't feel like it probably got the time right. But did it? No, it is 1:28, and this said it is 12:24. So, not correct. But, what can we do? What the hell is in DevTools? Account tester, bad behavior connectivity, development settings, Google login services. Google login services? Probably need Wi-Fi for that though, which I don't have. Also, let me know. Do you want us to make a video where we connect this thing to the internet? Maybe we do a new version, maybe do the same version. We just send it. Let me know. Okay, alrighty. Music. Alrighty. Currently we don't have any music installed. I wonder if there's a Files app. Files. I mean, it's gotta, right? Search. Files. Go. I would try to do the web browser. Yeah, that ain't gonna work because it ain't got Wi-Fi. I wonder if we can set the wallpaper. Display. Brightness. We can turn up the brightness, we can turn down the brightness. I have no idea if this even does anything. Yeah, we can turn it down all the way. Okay. Yeah, we can set it to whatever that we want. And there is literally no difference. But just for this outliner, we're gonna set it to max auto rotation. This other one's the animation, so we're just gonna do let's do some animations. Screen timeout. because I want to see the thing time out. We're gonna set the 15 seconds, and then we're just gonna, well, and be we're gonna set it back to 1 minute. Also, we're gonna set this to no animations. Yep, there we go. This computer is not a fan of animations. Applications. Unknown sources. Quick launch, manage application. What the hell is that? Full stop. What is gonna happen? Okay. No idea. I mean, it doesn't appear to be running. That's suspicious. I'm gonna go get like a File Explorer app, because I mean, it doesn't appear to really, have one. So we can get some music on this bad boy. Because unless in spare parts there's window animations. Let me just set it to, you know what, cancel. We don't even have any animations. Transition animations, fancy input animations, font size, and button behavior, haptic feedback, compatibility mode. And that appears to be everything. I will be right back. With with a flash drive. Be right back. Alrighty, we are back and it is turning on. At least I thought it was. Press the power button. There we go. What the hell? It does it, then it stops. Well, either way, I got the flash drive with the APK installed. God damn it. Okay, I'm just gonna... Do not let your Android PC fall asleep enough, especially if you're using, like, current gen hardware. I did my research. I got Android 2, which was released in, like, 2008. Windows XP was dismissed in 2009. I mean, the PC might have been kind of old, but, like, it was a Windows XP computer. Windows XP was still supported. I didn't feel like getting anything that much older because it was either, like, way too old or too... Because I was doing this basic Android, I probably could have gotten that in the time period, but still. But still, we got the flash drive installed. It's booting up Android. What could you want? You know the one thing that I will... Oh wait, booted. Alrighty. That's messages. App Store. Files. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna work because we ain't got Wi-Fi. So, I mean, I don't know if there's anything else I can do. If you have any ideas how to fix this, because I have an APK file on this flash drive. I just don't know how to get this onto this. From this to this without just plugging it in, but I would plug it in and it just doesn't pop up. See? Unplugged. Plugging it in. Yeah, does nothing. Well, thanks for watching. Enjoy.